you need now is money, not girlfriend. Yes, go and make money, go and look for money. Please. I wasn't born into this life to suffer, so as every other young lady. Go and look for money and stop looking for who to lure into your abject penury. Go and look for money, please.
Chioma.
Yes.
Chioma.
Yes, that is my name. Ogini, why are you calling me?
Wait, Chioma, that I don't have money today doesn't mean I won't have tomorrow. Chioma, you should understand that my future will be bright tomorrow. The light will shine on me tomorrow.
Ah, which light? Just take a good look at yourself. Which light? Hey! My friend, stop deceiving yourself, oh. Stop deceiving yourself and go and look for money. Just look at you. Look at what you are wearing. This thing now should not be more than 15 naira in a cake. This one now is 25 naira. Yes, now. You're not even ashamed of yourself. And you're saying the light will shine on your tomorrow. Let's wait. Let's wait now. Maybe, just maybe, when I see the light shining on your tomorrow, I can consider. But for now, what I see around you is total darkness. Yes! I'm not even seeing any hope coming closer. Nothing! So go and look for money and stop disturbing my life, please! I'll see you tomorrow, right? Just imagine. This tomorrow will be bright. Don't say.
Papa. I'm on one time. Papa. That's all, Papa.
What's up, dude? Were you talking to me?
No, I was dancing. Huh? How confused can you be?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Papa, how can you be reading and singing at the same time? Papa, do one and leave one.
Now I'll see that you ain't nothing but a stark illiterate, a moron of a son. Yo, this is how we used to roll way back in the States. We run a lot of things together, you know what I'm saying, without being distracted. So what you saying?
Papa, no wonder you return empty-handed. No wonder you return with bedroom slippers and towel. Eh?
You are insulting me.
No, I'm praising you, Papa.
You better be. What is it you're holding in your hands?
Machine gun. I thought you do many things at the same time. You can't even notice what I'm holding.
What in cause of a son? Who knows who he must have stolen that from?
Welcome home.
My God. Oh my God, I missed you so much. Look at you.
You went to Harvard, just you.
How are you?
Now that you are back, and all protocols duly observed here, can we now proceed to the dining? The food is set.
I'm really famishing, Dad. I'm hungry. I know you are famished. That is why your sister and I took our time and prepared your favorite. I trust you, Mom.
Wait till you taste it.
I trust you.
I think I will.
You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. You look good too.
Thank you.
You can have it.
All right, guard, bring out your luggage. Our luggage is from the car. Let's go in, let's go in.
Papa is not breathing. Papa is not breathing. Papa is not breathing. Oh my God, Mom. What a delicious meal I just had now. It's been decades I taste this kind of delicious meal. Whoa, Mom, I thought that by now you must have lost all your cooking skills. Whoa. Have you forgotten what they said? Agadi anaghị nka n'egwu ọma agba. The fact that I'm the queen doesn't mean that I will lose my cooking skills. I thought you meant, considering that the maids are the one doing all the house chores in this palace. I'm a woman.
I don't understand. Like, why are all the praises going to Mom? For God's sake, we made this together, Mom.
Does that indicate a note of jealousy?
Not jealousy, Mom. I'm just trying to get my own credits.
Please praise her.
Mom! Dad! Testing microphone. Hello? Please, the whole world hear me. My sister here is the best cook in the whole world.
Now you're talking. You can say that again.
She is the best cook.
Princess Adeze is the best cook
in the whole world.
It's louder than yours, Mom.
You see, I am a fulfilled man now. My daughter is now a graduate of a foreign university.
Yes, sir.
It's no
My
new duty.
daughter.
I'm happy.
Thank you, Dad.
Thanks to this federal government scholarship scheme. If not, I don't think I could have achieved that on my own.
Yes, Dad. Thank God for the federal government scholarship scheme. And thank God for making you, my father, the king of this community.
Dad, my sister is very right. If not that you are the king, the opportunity would have passed on to another family. Maybe to another royal family.
I thank God for that.
Papa is no longer talking. Papa, help me. Let's take him to the hospital.
Father, don't you know we don't have any money in the house?
Hey, that's true. But at least let's get him to the hospital first. They will sort that out. Papa, please, it's okay. Please.
Papa, be good.
I beg you in the name of God, assist me. I do not have any friend to run to. At this point in my life, you are the only person I can cry to because you are my friend. Please, no matter how to assist me, let me save the life of my father. See my friend. I don't have any money now. I don't have one naira. Wait, you know what? Just wait. this for me? Yes. Huh? Hey! This is anything. I get this money from you. You will not take it. And I don't want to tell you so you can make use of the money. Yes. Tell me God will bless you. Tell me God will bless you. For this singular favor you have done for me, God will bless you. And I promise you that one day I will return this favor. Thank you so much. Just save the life of your father. I believe you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will.
Choma, why are you being so difficult? Piccolo loves you. Why don't you give him a chance? A chance to do what? Oh, you want him to introduce me into his abject poverty, right? No, my darling friend. A chance for him to love you. Love without money. Is that one love? Answer me. Love without money is rubbish. Love in Kaboboku. Choma, you're just being greedy here. Everything is not all about money. And Piccolo, you see, is a very hard-working young man. And everyone in this village can attest to it. But just that, it's only unfortunate. And you want me to become a girlfriend or possibly end up as a wife to an unfortunate fellow. Is that what you want? Okay. Okay, are you really my friend? No, answer me. Are you really my friend? Is this what you wish for me? Hi, God, I'm so happy. You know that my family spent a lot to see me through school. And they don't deserve such disappointment from me. I must make my family proud. Because, Choma, let me tell you. This Piccolo you're seeing today might end up becoming a billionaire or even a trillionaire tomorrow. You have to be wise. So think, oh. Till then. Yes. Let's wait till he becomes a billionaire. But right now, he is still a pauper. And he's not in my class. Check me out now. Check me out. Can Piccolo let me check you out again. Can Piccolo buy my hair? Let me check you out again. Check me out. Can Piccolo buy my hair? Can he give me money for makeup? Nothing. So, don't even, in fact, the last time I checked, you are very much single and searching. Yes! And you are overdue for marriage. And so what? Go and give yourself to me. He never indicated his interest in me. Flaunt yourself around him! Are you a baby? Don't you know what's up anymore? Flaunt yourself around him. Please. Maybe he might pick interest in you. Because you are the one that really needs husband. I can see you're sick. You are mad! Can you imagine? No longer telling me rubbish. Go and meet him before I want Nagano. Nonsense.
What are you doing?
Brother, what do you do?
Are you stupid? I know you are using question to answer question. What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Brother, I didn't do anything. You saw me eating and you're asking me what are you doing? No, I'm fine.
Because I am confused. I don't know what you're talking about. Didn't you know what happened to Papa?
I heard it now.
Didn't you hear Papa is dying in the hospital? So, are you not supposed to go to the hospital and check on him?
Well, I'll be good. I am eating because I am hungry. If I should die of hunger, and our father still died in the hospital because you don't have money to pay his bills, do you have any money in your pocket, this flat pocket, to bury heart and him together?
You see, if I slap you now, you'll let me twist. No, you're going to this level. So I know you're talking to in that manner. So much disrespect.
Brother, why are you saying like this? You know me before now, I have respect. Don't worry, you're in common. It's not you. It's not you. How can it be? What's up? Jesus Christ.
What's going on there?
No.
What? No. Are you stupid?
Where are you coming back from?
I took a walk down to the village part.
And who did you take permission from?
Mom, is that really necessary?
Yes, it is very, very necessary. Remember, you were young when you left. And here is not America where you can walk around anyhow. There are charms here. This is Nigeria. Everything is possible and anything can happen at any time. So please, my daughter, whenever you want to leave this house, seek my consent or your father's own. Please. Onugo?
Okay, Mom. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Papillo, my bosom Americana friend.
Hey, yo, Your Highness.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Papillo, I have cola. Let's drink.
Come on, Your Highness. You know better than this. You know homie don't play this. I can't take this stuff, man. You know what I do? Champagnes, Dom Perignon, Blue Label, you know, exotic drinks, man. Not no local stuff.
Papillo, you know your friend is an average king. All those drinks you mentioned, you can never find them in my palace. I've told you that several times.
It's not a problem, Your Highness. I understand where you're coming from. You know what? Whatever you offer me, I'm gonna take. Because we cool like that. But if you were other loafers, those losers out there, man, I'll throw that shit in the trash. Gee.
Well, thanks for your understanding, eh? Papillo, if I may ask, what brought you to my palace? Because I know something must have made cricket to abandon its hole in a broad daylight.
That's a wonderful question. Very lovely one. Ambition did. You know, the cricket didn't just leave the hole. Something made the cricket creep out of his hole. And that's ambition. My ambition to be the Onowu of this community. Man.
Hi, Papillo, who never cease to amaze me. Oh my God. Well, Papillo, why are you interested in a position you know the occupant is still alive?
Oh, come on, Your Highness. We're here, man. I know you're a smart dude. Be the nigga that you are, the homeboy that you are. The dude in question is a vegetable. He's unhealthy. He's as good as dead. So what you saying?
Papillo, are you planning to kill him?
Of course not. Hey, I'm not a murderer, man. I'm not a killer. But I know Big Mama, Mother Nature is knocking on the door. Death is knocking on the door. Chee!
Well, until then, allow him to die. When he dies, I'll make pronouncement concerning the vacuum stone.
Your Highness.
Oh God! See what America has reduced my friend.
Is okay. Yes.
What did the doctor say is wrong with you?
Actually, he didn't really say anything per se, like he wasn't really specific. But he just said that very soon, I will get back with you.
I'm not ready to look for for you.
Hey, don't say that. God forbid. God forbid again. Papa will die. Eh? Listen, all I need to do is just be prayerful. Right now, I need to stay with Papa. This is the school that we I am meeting. Okay, so stay with him. Let me go and look for something to eat.
Don't worry. Keep Papa, let me go and look for something.
No, don't worry. Just rest. I'll be fine. alright? Take care.
Brother, I'm sorry. I've got the money to deposit in the transfer payment. I'll go to get it.
Hey, Papa, stop calling me now. Are you the one that gave me that name? I gave name to myself.
Whatever. Who took the money I kept in my room?
Papa, am I the only person in this house? Papa, let me ask you, why do you like asking me anytime something is missing in this house?
Because you are the only thief in this house. You better go ahead and tell me where the money is before I descend on you. Tell me where my money is.
I took the money. I didn't steal it. I used it to save Mazeloka's life.
What?
Simple.
You used my hard-earned money to save whose life?
Mazeloka.
That dead-end human being. Give me my money. I said give me my money. You must give me my money.
Papa.
Give me my money.
Papa.
Give me my money. I am not playing with you. Papa, wait, give me my money.
No, my princess, no. My name is Peter Obuneme. Well, you see, everybody in this community calls me Piccolo. So yes, they call me Piccolo.
You're such an intelligent, handsome man. Do you mind if I ask you for a favor?
Oh. I mean, you're the princess. You can ask me anything. As long as it's within my power, I'll grant it.
Yeah, sure. It's something you can do. Do you mind us to go to somewhere more cool and comfortable to talk?
I'm sorry, my princess. With all due respect, I have somewhere I need to be now. It's very urgent. If you don't mind, we could do that some other time. I'm sorry to disrespect.
No problem. No offense taken. Don't worry. Maybe we'll talk some other time when you are free, okay?
All right. Thank you, my princess. I'll be on my way.
You're free.
Thank you.
Okay. Right. Piccolo, right?
Yes, Piccolo.
Look at you. Just take a good look at yourself. The only illiterate graduate. I sent you to school and you came back with absolutely nothing after 8 years in the university. All you do is gallivant, rigmarole, and maroot the entire community looking for who is asleep, so you steal from them. While your mates are in the city doing big things, making money and making their parents proud.
I don't hear. Papa, if I'm useless, you are useless. What of you? What do you achieve? You achieve nothing from America. The only thing that you can do is, show man, this one, Joe.
What is going on here?
Ask your young man father.
Come back here. Come back here and bring my money.
Papa, it's okay. I've told you to stay away from Techno's problems.
I should be scared of my son. That unscrupulous magnanimous pimp because they call him Techno.
No, rather for peace to reign.
Now get out of my presence. I don't care if peace reign or not. Before I get mad at you. Huh? Real Oko Thomas go. I should be careful of Techno. Is he now my father?
hope you won't be mad at me.
No. I won't be mad at you. Go ahead and say what you have in mind.
Okay. My princess, do you like him? My princess, you are smiling.
Of course I am. Do you want me to cry?
Not really. I thought you'd be very mad at me.
No. So, why do you ask?
My princess, I saw the look on your face.
Anyway, you are right. I love him. I love him so much. But the problem is this. I'm worried due to the look on his face. It's like something is bothering him.
Maybe it's because of his father's present condition.
What happened to his father?
My princess, his father is very sick and he is in the hospital.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry about that. Please, do you know the hospital he's in?
And where do you think you are going to?
No more to talk about. No more to talk about.
I said, where do you think you are going to? You're not going anywhere. Where do you think you are going to?
And what do you think you are doing?
And what does it look like I'm doing?
Woman, what do you think you are doing?
I said, what does it look like I'm doing?
Don't provoke me this morning. Don't!
You are going nowhere. Are you hearing me? I said you are going nowhere.
Njideka, will you leave me?
You are going nowhere.
Leave my clothes. Njideka, you know how brutal I can be when upset. Just leave my clothes.
What else can you do? If not to beat me. You see, I'm ready for you today. You must drop money for food. Oh, you are going nowhere.
So you believe it's because you are holding my cloth I cannot go where I'm going? No! You shall know, yeah? Eh?
I said you are going nowhere.
Will you leave this plot?
I said you are going nowhere.
Will you leave this plot?
You are going nowhere.
Yes, I am regretting getting my house. And if there is not taking that, I am going nowhere.
Your Highness, like I say, we can't continue conducting the meetings of the council without an no. We need someone who can confidently occupy that vacancy temporarily for now. And that someone is me. Because ain't no dude in here more qualified than I am.
Papilo, can you hear yourself speak? And I look if you need.
Did I say anything wrong or evil? All I did was suggest to all of y'all that I've become the Onowu for now. So that when Ichie Loka dies, my position can be made permanent.
Papilo, why not respect yourself? Huh? Are you wishing the Onowu dead just to occupy his position?
All of y'all know that I'm not the one of nature. I can never obstruct nature. Never. But the problem with all of you elders are that you're so myopic. You can't see what I can see. Mother Nature has been calling for no. So please don't accuse me of anything.
Papilo, nobody is accusing you. We are only advising you to talk and behave like a matured man that you are.
Anyway, let us calm down. This is not the time to banter like this. What should be our main priority is how to raise funds so that we can pay Onowu's hospital bills and he can leave the hospital. Not thinking about his death.
Niche. Bikon, just 1 minute. Papilo, let's see outside. See me outside.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hi! Hi! Good afternoon. Oh my God, you're so cute. Sorry, my name is Choma Madika. I'm from this village. I'm a graduate. Yes, we're four in my family. I'm the first child. What else do you want to know about me? Just...
Sorry. Wasn't trying to.
Oh, pardon my manners. I'm so sorry. Sorry I didn't introduce her to you. Meet my best friend. Her name is Oge. She's also from this village. Anywhere you see me, you see her. She's my best friend. We do everything in common. Everything. Just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me. Oh. Okay. You want to speak for yourself? We don't expect you to talk to you. Standing under the scorching sun while you seated inside your car, cooling off with your AC.
Forgive my bad manners. And what is your name?
Is that what you do for a living?
Come on. Don't be too difficult.
Going about asking people their names. Okay. Since that's what you want, you have to start by introducing yourself first. Yes. That will make a whole lot of sense.
Alright. My name is Chim Olisa Pascal Okoro Opatulemu Upiego 1.
I see. What a plot. Bravo. But I think you have added that of your brother to it. Okay. Wait, let me finish with her. Since only you have 10 good names for yourself. Rubbish. Okay. Brother. Sorry, go. Brother. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Papino, you are my very good friend. Our friendship dates back decades ago. You traveled to the United States, you came back to Nigeria with nothing. Papilo, I don't know if it is a long sojourn in America and their way of life that affected your sense of reasoning. I told you to lie low. Why did you bring up this matter again?
Your Highness, to start with, I feel insulted by your first paragraph. You can't say shit like that to a nigga like me. I thought I was your friend, your homie.
My apologies, Papilo.
Better.
But why did you bring up this matter again before the council? Why?
Your Highness, if you know me like you claimed you did, way back in the days when we were kids, you know I'm a very ambitious person. I'm an ambitious man.
Ambitious man? Ambitious man? You came back to Nigeria with nothing. Your ambition could not even fetch you $1.
I just feel insulted again. Igwe, do you know you just insulted me again, nigga?
Nigga, you are not going to get any sorry from me this time around. Man!
Igwe,
Eh? Chee! 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 Chee!
And you were busy throwing yourself at him. And so? Was that why you didn't give me a listening ear? From the start, you wanted him. So why don't you go get him by lending him your ears for him to talk to you? You saw everything. He did not want me. It's you that he wants. Then make him want you. I know that beautiful Choma that flaunts herself around men, that knows how to woo men to herself. You can make him want you. What is even wrong with you, this girl? What is wrong with you? Eh? Look at you. Do you think you are getting any younger? No. Come and suck breasts. Oberenwa. Come and suck breasts. You are not getting any younger. What is even wrong with you?
That's my
Are
mother.
you sure you know what you are doing? Eh? Look at that cute guy. Hi. Look at that handsome guy. And with the look of things, it seems like he has a fat wallet. Didn't you see his car? What else do you want? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Hey, Choma.
Cars, money is all that matters to you. Nothing else matters to you in this life, right? Be careful about your life, oh. Let's go to my house. You're coming. If you're not coming, you can go back and meet him. You have flaunt yourself so that he will take you. I don't like follow me to my house. I don't really blame you. You're a green guy. Oh, that's super. No, so if you like, come and meet. If you don't like, stay there. What is wrong with this girl? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Go and talk to your friend, Papa. Talk to your friend, Papa. Talk to your friend, Papa. Look, that man is gradually losing it, but he does not know.
What will I say? Eh? I've said it all, but he chose not to listen.
You still have to talk to him somehow. Still talk to him. How? Now, you reason, how can a Papilo be the Onowu of this noble king? Even if Ichie Eluka does not survive his illness, he still cannot be our Onowu.
He discussed it with me earlier, but I advised him to wake up from his slumber. Yes, and I still asked him, if he refuses to wake up, let him keep on dreaming.
So what kind of Onowu? Yeah, man. Shit, man. Goddamn. Choo! Is that the kind of Onowu we want?
Can you imagine? How can Papilo become the Onowu of Umueze in Sophia Kingdom? How will he represent us at the Zuna Prime Minister's meeting?
No. When he gets there, he will be telling them, goddamn, man, shit, man, okoko man, ewu man. Choo! That's what he will go and do. Let me tell you. You see that Papilo? He's a full-grown, deported monkey. He can never be our own.
Papa, hope you enjoyed.
But now, take your daughter, go inside. I want to talk to my son.
I know this has been your way. Since my son Chima came back, you want to always be with him so that you have everything he came with alone.
Is it not my son?
So?
Is it not my son?
He's also my son.
Take your daughter and go inside. When every time you're outside looking for to talk.
Hey! Am I a better gossip?
Mama, it's okay now. Let's just go inside. Let's go.
Mama, wait. Don't worry yourself. No matter how much you try, he can never take what is meant for you.
Bam! My son! Welcome, man! Hey! Hi!
My son, you said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes, Papa.
What is it?
Papa, you do complain at this time that there is this beautiful girl I saw in this village. But Papa, I tried talking to her. She couldn't give me a listening ear.
She gave you no listening ear?
Yes, sir.
A lady in this community. If you're the ram, alone up here. A young, handsome, rich man like you now will call you.
She's a monkey. Papa, I don't even know what prompted her. She just left, Papa. Do you know her? Or what family she comes from? That is what she refused to tell me. Yes. Okay. Go and find out her name. Find out the family she comes from and leave the rest to me. Alright, I will do just that. I am sure. Okay?
No girl in this community can refuse you. You are rich and handsome. You are my son.
And that is the Ojodi compagnon.
The Ojodi
compagnon.
It is finished.
You don't know what I can do in this community. But I trust you. Come on, get out of here.
That is the Ojodi compagnon.
That is the Ojodi compagnon. I want some. How is that girl in this company? My son now who was in this. Hello?
My friend, I got a question for you. And I need you to give me a direct, simple answer to it. Man, I'm listening. Why can't I become the Olowo of this community?
Because you are not qualified in any way.
When I asked you this question as my friend, I expected you to respond with answers with reasons. Man,
you have answered it for yourself. Leave Olowo first. Which of the elders speak the way you do? Yeah, man. Shit, man. Huh?
So my American accent has become the problem all this while. You are nothing but a jealous brother, man.
Jealous of what? Jealous of shit, man.
Of course. What else do you have to say?
Let me still ask you. Which of the elders is addressed as Papilo? Instead of Mazo Keke, Mazo Kafo. Eh? Not to talk of someone who is going to represent us as a state level. What are you going to be saying then? Eh? At the Zuna Prime Minister's meeting? Yeah, man. Shit, man. Nigga, man. Okuku, man. Huh?
I can see it clearly now that you are wallowing in jealousy over my American accent. Something you can never ever speak in your wildest dream. Not even any of your fellow elders. And you don't know how to deal with it. Man.
If not that you are my bosom friend, I would have called you EIO. Which man would be jealous over another man's stupidity? Huh?
I can't believe you came into my compound and you're running your mouth like this. Man.
I did not come here to insult you, but to speak some sense into you. Respect yourself as an elder.
Man, if you don't leave my compound this minute, you'll make me lose my temper. Man. Or quite seen a war. Choo, 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 choo.
Because what I heard, is it true? What you hear is true. My father is dead. Don't say that again. So it is true. Chai! Hello, man. Hey! Because you take this like a man. These things happen. It's okay, it's okay. It's alright. These things happen. Let it pass. How together do you live?
I wish I had the opportunity to study in Harvard like you.
I know I would have loved for you to be around over there.
But it never happened. Like they said, destiny differs. Yeah, we are sisters, but we have different destinies.
You see? Tell me, where is the lie? No, tell me.
So, you're still like this, you've not changed, right? Eh? You know you're never serious.
That is it about life. You don't need to take life too serious, else painful exit will be your name.
But you're never a serious person.
Don't mind me.
Okay, now, where is the lie? Oh. And where is the lie again?
Now you play.
I have done my
own. Sis, tell me, how is the environment and everything? Like, how is life over there?
My dear, apart from the natural environments we have here, and we are so free to do whatever we want, that we have freedom here. Over there is 100% better than this place.
I can tell. Who chooses death over sleep?
But believe you me, our country will revive. Who have hope?
Go to my process. Ugo, what is it?
And what is it that you could not say before my sister?
My princess, I thought you wouldn't want her to know.
What could that be that I cannot handle before her?
My princess, it's about Piccolo.
What about him?
My princess.
Speak and stop keeping me anxious. What happened?
My princess, he lost his dad this morning.
No! 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 Just come, let's go.
Mom, I don't know. I was here with her discussing when Ugo came and took her away.
Ugo came. And where did she go?
Mom, I just told you I was here with her discussing when Ugo came and took her away. I don't even know what she told her that made her cry. She left in tears. Just that I don't know.
You here?
Yes, I can.
Hold on, let me get this.
Okay. I got myself. No, don't worry. I could not hold myself immediately. Ugo told me about it. I broke down, so I had to rush down to this place immediately to see you. Tell me what happened. We met yesterday, and your dad died today. How possible is it? No, it's so unacceptable.
Princess, please, I don't want you to start blaming yourself for anything. I mean, it wasn't your fault, right? I don't know. He had complications already, you know. He was already in a very critical condition. As a matter of fact, I was even heading to give him food when I saw you. Yeah.
Piccolo, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about it.
Thank you.
I was even planning to come to the hospital to help you pay the hospital bills if you cannot afford it.
That was really thoughtful of you, my princess, but the bills wasn't the issue. You know, we already deposited some money and for them to commence treatment. I don't know, for whatever reason, they couldn't just save his life.
Then what happened? What is the problem then? What the doctor said that is the problem? What happened?
Papa,
yes.
what
are you celebrating? Papa, did you win a jackpot?
My dear, something bigger than the jackpot. My beautiful daughters, something bigger than the jackpot.
Something bigger than the jackpot. So what could that be?
You know of this community is dead, man.
Papa, you're celebrating another man's death. A fellow chief like you.
He was a bad luck man. He was the one stopping me from my desire.
Papa, how is the owner of this land a bad threat to you?
His presence was nothing but a stumbling block from me becoming the traditional prime minister of this community. Now that he's dead, listen, I am going to comfortably occupy that position as the owner of this community. Man! Yo, baby, you got the game. Congratulations.
You mean you're supposed to go to Papa celebrating another man's death?
Don't find your sister. She's in the dark. She don't know what time it is. You don't know the game, baby. Tag along with her. Now that's what. Anybody who doesn't like what we do, they're begging me to want to see the wall.
Papa, let me join you before now.
Yeah, love you.
Hey, Papa.
Nollywood made me, that man told me. This to the hood, rub you like a shoe. Oh, we knew heaven, shout out to the hood. Come here, emergency, but the flow is international. The one thing is Hey! Hey!
Hi.
Hi!
Were you not the girl I saw the other day with her stubborn friend?
Yes, it's me. That my friend. She's very, very stubborn. You are correct. I am Choma the good girl.
I want us to talk.
Hey! Okay.
Wait. Let me come down from my car.
You want to come down?
Yes. Oh. So how is she?
She's fine. Hey, let me even ask you. What did you see in that my friend Oge? That cheap prostitute?
Wait. You mean she's a prostitute?
Oh, you are new in this village. Who does not know Oge? Oge is a cheap prostitute. She has slept with almost all the men in this village. Any man that has not slept with her must be an underage. Yes. In fact, let me tell you the full story. Oge na-eke, Oge bukezaya. Oge na-eke. Onwe hebe ode eke fo. Oge na-ebe n'okwe. Onwe hebe ode ebe fo. Oge. Mani mafia o. Mana ndeli o. Mana ulu mango. Mana ulu cashew. Mana copy. Name it. Even self, if you want now, you call her. Obi okenye gene moto sharp ode Oge. Just jolly and wajai. Ubele ego.
You mean her name is Oge?